Yeah, this is my 2000 Mercedes Benz. I was trying to put a light bulb down in this thing. You know, I have to move all these, you know, bottles for the coolant. This one for the windshield, but it need a cover. And it's all the way where down in here, all the way down in there. So you gotta take that piece off down there to get to the bulbs. Wish that's crazy, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So older car, but pretty much run good anyway. Yeah, I have a lot of work to do to it some more. Got the seat gonna get like a torn up, you know. Just get the bulb from Amazon, you know. Put in a nice like a radio the other day. And everything. Yeah, buddy. Then I gotta do some. I paint my calipers, you know, look all golden. Nice tires on there. Then that do some antenna soon. Car need little work, but I'm trying to get it together. And the back don't look too bad though. You know, back seat they look all nice and thing. You know, roof not so bad. Yeah, I'm trying to put this little old girl back together, you know. Make sure be a nice old girl again. Yeah. Well, it's pretty much a good car. So I'm just trying to put it back together. Alright. And that's also my Beetle. I love this car. I have it now for 2 years. Basically 2 years. Runs great. But I'll do something else on this. You know. Alright. Little bug. Alright. Out for now.